If you're still able to watch this video, it means that in the next 5 minutes, what you're going to receive can change your life. Before we get started, let me share with you who I am and why I decided to share this message with you. My name is Matthew Tang. Some of you might know me as the Daily Profit Maker. And this year, I set myself a goal to help at least 100 ordinary Joes to lead the life of financial freedom, all by teaching them the same proven system that turned me from a low-waged accountant into an online multi-millionaire. The same system that I'm going to give to you in just a moment. But wait, I know what you're thinking right now. I bet you've gotten pretty skeptical about all these promises of instant riches. Well, great, because the truth is a little healthy skepticism can be a good thing. I mean, I've fallen for many of these scams too. That's why I'm going to show you live, verified, ironclad proof of how anyone can start generating their first paycheck online. However, do note that if it's the millions that you're going after, then I would like you to exit this page right now, because it would be an outright lie if I promise you that you'll become a millionaire overnight. But if you're looking for something that can help you generate income online in the days to come, you have come to the right place. Listen, this system that I'm going to reveal to you is something you've never seen before. On top of that, it's 100% legal and ethical. And let me assure you that it has nothing to do with Bitcoin, Forex, Amazon, and paid surveys. And it's definitely not some MLM or some pyramid scheme BS. Now, I'll be honest, this system is not for everyone. This is not for people who get excited being stuck in the rush hour traffic on the way to work. This is also not for people who love working their ass off for someone else. And this is definitely not for people who think that there's no money to be made on the internet. If this is you, just close this page right now and give this opportunity to someone who needs it more. Now, if you're still here, it only tells me one thing. You are serious in making money online and changing your life for the better. And here's what I'd like you to know. It doesn't matter how many times you failed before. It doesn't matter if you have zero computer technical skills. In fact, it doesn't even matter if you have never, ever made a single penny online. Because once you get access to the system I'm about to share with you in just a moment, you will start having control of your financial future. You can start paying off all your debts. You can start deciding what kind of lifestyle you want to live. And this is why, in the next few minutes, you'll definitely want to pay close attention to every word I'm about to say. You see, this money-making system wasn't created out of pure luck, but out of necessity. Just a few years ago, I was working as an accountant in a local manufacturing firm. Everything was good until one day my boss told me that I had to go. Why? Because of the economic downturn. The whole accounting division was going to be shifted to India. I was shocked. Never in my mind would I have thought that this could actually happen to me. I was good at what I do. In fact, I was aiming for my next big promotion that year. But in the end, because of the economy, I fell prey to the company's dreadful layoffs. Years of solid sacrifices and dedication still weren't enough to protect my corporate job. And from that incident, I gained a realization. A realization that no matter how hard you dedicate your life to slave for a company, your job will never be 100% secured. And I just knew that there must be a better way out there. A better way to give my family the lifestyle that they deserve. So I searched the web and even paid thousands of dollars to learn from internet gurus on how to make money online. And I can't tell you how many times I was cheated, throwing my savings away on poor quality courses that just don't work. Whenever I asked for support, they were always uncontactable. Or, immediately after I paid the course fee, these gurus just vanished into thin air. But hey, let me tell you one thing. Believe it or not, it was worth it. Why? Because after years of trying and failing, I managed to sneak my way into the elite ranks of the wealthy. In other words, I discovered the one single method that the internet millionaires are using to make money. The one way that they would never tell the average Joes because they want to keep all the profits to themselves. So, what is this one method? It's called customer middleman arbitrage. You see, many corporations like Amazon, eBay, and ClickBank are willing to pay people to bring customers to their sites. And that's it. And what this means is that you don't need any product. You don't need any marketing expertise. Heck, you don't even need to have prior experience in making money online. All you need to do is to be a middleman and bring the right customers to the right website. After knowing this, I was able to use the exact same method and make my first paycheck online. I could still remember the exact amount, $137.15. And yes, that amount was small, but it was my first ever win in making money online. But after months of tweaking and learning the ropes, I was able to hit my first $10,000. Soon after, I made over $50,000. And before I knew it, I was generating income month after month, and I eventually became financially free. To be honest, I was shocked because I've never made so much money in my life, even though I was working 10 times less compared to my full-time job. Now, one day I was lying on the beach, and I thought to myself, there are many people in the world who are still struggling financially. And here I am, making more money than I can ever spend. If only I could find a way to share this opportunity with more people. I'm sure they will benefit from it too. Now you might be wondering, why would it be a challenge to share the system with more people? You see, it wasn't as simple as sharing the system and anyone can start making money automatically. I was paying over $1,000 a month on overheads such as website hosting, servers, and tracking systems. On top of that, the system was so complex that the average Joe probably wouldn't be able to follow it. And then I remembered Joe, my high school friend who was a programmer. I asked him if there was any way to create an easy all-in-one software that can leverage on the customer middleman arbitrage to help people make money. After nights of research, he told me the answer. Yes, I can do this, but it'll cost $20,000. If I was my old self, a low-waged accounting staff, $20,000 was a lot of money. I would have instantly said no. But being financially free and knowing how much cash it would generate for anyone using it, it was an absolute yes for Joe to work on the software right away. And after 8 months of hard work, it was finally completed. Introducing Click Wealth System, a comprehensive system that breaks down the entire concept of customer middleman arbitrage into simple, actionable steps. A system that is so simple, anyone can use it to get fast results even if they have never made a dollar online. In fact, making money online with Click Wealth System can be summarized in just 3 steps. 1. Choose a verified customer source from our insider list. 2. Create a website using our cloud software with less than 5 clicks. 3. Become the middleman by directing the customer source to your website. And that's it. You can finally sit back and relax as you bank in the profits day by day. Here's the thing. Once you start using the system, you'll have access to everything you need to start generating a steady stream of income. Sounds too good to be true? Check out these 100% verified proof from people who have already tested Click Wealth System. Cheryl, a Click Wealth member who is 65 years old, sent me this email recently. Dear Matthew, I just want to write an email to share with you how grateful I am to you and your Click Wealth system. I never ever thought I would be able to make money online at my age because I always find all this tech mumbo jumbo confusing. But luckily for the support and step-by-step videos, I managed to rake in $3,945.20 in just 40 days. Thank you so much, Matthew. Cheers, Cheryl. Also, Donnie Woodward, who posted this on Facebook. Matthew, my man, you did it. This system is fantastic. I made $150.17 within just 24 hours of the system running. You are the real deal. Here's another testimonial, and this is from a member who just joined 5 days ago. Just wow. Guess what? I made $323.41. This system really works. Now I'm going for $1,000 this week. Let's go. Jonathan. You see, most people think that they have to spend countless numbers of hours and huge cash investments to succeed in making money online. But thanks to Click Wealth System, it has enabled me to achieve financial freedom while working just 30 minutes a day. Literally nothing will be left out as I reveal my closely guarded secrets for the very first time. Everything is explained in detail to ensure that you learn exactly how to do the things the right way from the start.